In this video, you'll be learning how to install Canon LBP2900B printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to navigate to the Chrome. So bring up your Chrome. Okay. In the moment you have bring it up, you need to proceed to the the printer driver. Yes. Okay. You need to proceed by searching it here, Canon LBP2900B printer driver, and hit the enter key. And in that way, you would be navigated to the list of results. So please proceed to the first result. Click on it. And you would be able to get an option where you can download this Canon printer driver LBP2900B. Click on download, and once you have downloaded it, if it will ask you to agree on the license agreement, just simply click on yes so that you can download it right away. Okay. So in my case, I have already downloaded such. Okay. But in your case, if not yet, then please wait until it would be downloaded. Then navigate to the top right corner, click on this download icon so that you will be able to show the downloaded file. Okay. So please click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. Okay. And once you are here, you need to make a right click and go with this cut icon. Once done, close the windows. Okay. And from here, you need to make a right click and click on paste. So once you have pasted the file or the driver file here, you need to double tap to unzip or extract the file, or you can simply make a right click, okay, and go with the WinRAR tool and use it to extract this application. Okay, so once done, all you need to do is you need to wait until a file folder would be showing here in our screen. Once done, please navigate here at the start icon, make a right click, and then scroll up and click on the settings. Okay, so here at the settings, you need to navigate to the left side where you can see a list of the option. Please look for Bluetooth and devices. Click on it. Here at the Bluetooth and devices, you need to proceed with printers and scanners and click on it as well. And you would get an option like this, go with add device. So you need to wait until you can see an option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on it. And in a few seconds, a new window would be appearing here on our screen where we can manually install our printer driver. Once it's here, please proceed to add a local printer, network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port and click on next. Go with have disk and click on browse. And since our extracted file has been placed at the desktop, then we need to navigate there. And then you need to scroll down, proceed to this extracted file, double tapped, and choose for x64, double tapped, and select the driver. So here it will show you the driver. Click on open and click on OK, and it would be placed here. Okay, click on next, and please rename that into Canon LBP2900B. Then click on next, and it will now start in the installation. Please wait until this would be done. Once done, you need to click on next. Go with finished, and there you have that you have just successfully installed a Canon LBP2900B in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.